Planning a trip to Canada soon? Whether it's for tourism, visiting family, or just exploring the beautiful country, applying for a Canada visitor visa from Nigeria can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm here to break down the process for you step by step. I'm John from Law and Visas, your trusted immigration law firm. Today, I'm going to guide you through exactly how to apply for your Canadian visitor visa, what documents you need to prepare, some useful tips to boost your chances, and answer common questions Nigerians ask about this visa. Let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is visit the official Canadian immigration website, canada.ca. Here, you'll create an account and start filling out your application online. It's important to take your time with this form because accuracy is key. Any mistakes could delay your application or cause rejection. Make sure every detail matches your passport exactly, like your name and date of birth. Once you complete the application form, the system will give you a customized checklist of documents to upload. This makes it easier to know exactly what Canada wants to see for your case. Before submitting your application, you'll need to pay the visa fee. The standard visitor visa fee is CAD 100. On top of this, there's also a biometrics fee of CAD 85. You can pay both online via debit or credit card. Keep your payment receipt because you'll need it to proceed to the next steps. About biometrics, this is a necessary part of the process where your fingerprints and photo are taken. In Nigeria, biometrics are done at visa application centers in Abuja, Lagos, and Port Harcourt. After you pay, you'll receive instructions on how to book your biometrics appointment. Don't skip this step. It's mandatory for most applicants. Now, let's talk documents. Besides your passport, you need to prove that you have enough money to support yourself during your stay in Canada. That means bank statements covering at least the last 3 to 6 months. It's also important to show ties to Nigeria, things like an employment letter, business registration, property papers, or family commitments that indicate you intend to return after your visit. Include a letter explaining why you want to visit Canada, your travel plans, how long you intend to stay, and your arrangements for accommodation and transport. If you have family or friends in Canada you plan to visit, adding an invitation letter from them can help strengthen your case. Also, be sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned travel dates, and provide recent passport photos following Canadian specifications. Once you have all your documents ready, upload them online and submit your application. After submission, some applicants may be called for an interview or asked to provide additional documents. So, keep checking your email and your account on the Canadian immigration portal regularly. Processing times vary depending on where you apply and how busy the visa office is, but generally, expect it to take between 2 to 8 weeks. So, apply early, at least 3 months before your intended travel date. Let me quickly answer some common questions Nigerians ask about the Canadian visitor visa. Do you need travel insurance? No, travel insurance isn't required for your visa application, but I always recommend getting it. It protects you against unforeseen emergencies while you're in Canada. How much money should you show? There isn't a fixed amount, but your bank balance and income should cover your travel, accommodation, and daily expenses. Having steady, verifiable finances is key. Can you apply without a previous travel history? Yes, it's possible. While previous travel can help show you're a genuine traveler, not having it doesn't mean you won't get a visa. Just be sure to provide strong proof of ties to Nigeria and a clear plan for your visit. A few extra tips. Always be honest in your application. Avoid fake or misleading documents. It's not worth the risk. Keep your documents neat and organized, and be ready to explain your plans clearly if you get an interview. Also, consider using an immigration law firm like Law and Visas to help you avoid common mistakes and improve your chances. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more visa tips from law and visas. For personalized visa assistance, send us a DM. Good luck with your Canada visitor visa application. I'm confident that with the right preparation, you'll get that visa and enjoy your trip.